Ciao, this is Chiara and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you a simple Tunisian headband or ear warmer, an easy project perfect for beginner and a first partner if you learn Tunisian crochet. For this project I use a Super 8 yarn by Mondial. You can find more information about this yarn in the info box below, and a 6.5mm hook. To begin your project, we are going to start by making chains. So first of all, you want to create your slip knot. To start this project, we are going to chain 12, and this is the weight. Now we are going to work into the top loops of your chain. So skip the first and move directly into the second one and pull up loops. And pull up loops all the way the end. So at the end of our chains we should have 12 loops on your hook. Now we are ready to do our return pass of your foundation row. So yarn over, pull through one loop, and we're going to pull through 2 loops all the way back. So yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 all the way back. And go ahead until you have 1 loop on your hook. Okay, as you can see we have 12 stitches, and now we are going to work into the vertical bar. This loop on your hook counts as our first stitch, so we will not work into the first vertical bar ever. So we will go into the second vertical bar and pull up the loop. And we'll do that all the way down your project. Insert in the vertical bar, pull up the yarn and pull a loop in all of your vertical bar. Okay, look for your last loop, because sometimes it can be a little hard to see, but you are going to take the end of your work, so rotate it towards and you'll see these 2 loops here. So work under these 2 loops, yarn over and pull up the loop. And now to complete your return pass, you are going to yarn over and pull through 1 loop, yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2 all the way back to the beginning. And now we are ready to work into the vertical bar again. So insert in the second, pull up the yarn, insert, pull up the yarn, and we'll do that all the way down the project. At the end, remember to work into these 2 loops. And yarn over again and pull through 1 loop, yarn over and pull through 2, all the way back to the beginning. Okay, now you're just going to keep repeating these 2 rows until the project measures about 40 centimeters. Okay, my work is about 40 centimeters. And now we're going to complete the last row and we work a slip stitch into the vertical bar. So you are again skipping the first vertical bar, going under the next one, yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. And you are going to do that for each stitch all the way to the end. Okay, we have a nice edge. Now we are going to cut the yarn and leave a very long tail. Now weave a little tail of the beginning. Now fold the 2 ends together with the wrong side up and sew these 2 ends together. Now turn your work and pass the yarn into the project in this way. And pull to create a kind of curl. Now make some knot to secure the yarn. And now we are going to start wrapping our yarn many times as you like to have a nice finished front. And make a knot to secure the yarn. And you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. This is a great beginner project, perfect for your first Tunisian crochet, because this is the simple Tunisian crochet stitch. If you want more project with Tunisian stitch, let me know in the comments down below. So thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video. Ciao e tanto love!